I would consider myself a plus size mom, and I really love the WildBird Aerial carrier. This is my 3-month-old baby. I'm gonna show you how I put it on. I had a different carrier with my last baby, and this one is much more comfortable for me. It has great back support, and I would for sure buy it again. I had the Tula Explorer last time, and it was not as comfortable. I feel like my back would hurt. I wore this one the other day for about 3 hours straight, and it did not even bother me at all. He loved it. He just napped the whole time. So I highly recommend it. It's a great carrier.